Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Dawood Abdullah from grade 7A. My school is Success International School, and today I am doing computer project. Now I'm gonna read the contents. Number 1, definition of a smartphone. Number 2, tablet. Number 3, popular mobile operating system. Now, definition of a smartphone. Smartphones are defined to be enhanced mobile phones that perform functionalities other than the typical phone. These enhanced features can be anything from email and internet to a full keyboard. The definition of smart keeps changing as more and more net functions are introduced to mobile phones. You can see the picture. It's a mobile phone and there's a keyboard that it's attached to it. Now, tablet. A tablet is a personal computer with a touchscreen display. It is larger than a small phone. It has a mobile operating system with internet access. It comes with pre-installed apps. Some of the apps are of a camera, calendar, web, browser, and games. You can download other apps from the App Store. You can see the picture of the tablet that I upload. You can see there is the Play Store and Google and the camera like that. You can download and play the games from the Play Store. Popular mobile operating systems, iOS. This operating system is used by Apple for iPhones, iPads, and iPod touch devices. The iOS apps can be purchased and downloaded from the App Store and are installed on the device either through syncing to iTunes on a computer or laptop or from the device itself. Now, Android. This operating system is Linux-based and owned by Google. It is an open-source operating system and primarily designed for touchscreen devices. The Android app can be retrieved and downloaded from Google Play, the app store of the Android operating system. You can see the iPhone picture or the iOS picture, iOS 14, and the Android. Now I am at the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching and goodbye.